Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the blade, put pressure on the stud and simultaneously slide the wiper to the outside.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, but in reverse. You will hear a click when the stud slots into place. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Lift up the arm of the windshield wiper. Incline the blade to 90 degrees. To remove the blade, pull towards you in order to free it from its holding bar, then remove the blade. Take the new blade. To put the new ones in place, clip them into the housing. You will hear a click when the stud slots into place. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.